When Helen celebrated her 50th birthday, she made a promise to herself. She wanted to look classy, confident, and elegant in this new chapter of her life. She had spent years caring for her family and focusing on work, often choosing clothes based on convenience rather than style. But now, she wanted her appearance to reflect the strong, graceful woman she had become. One afternoon, as she prepared for a luncheon with old friends, Helen stood in front of her wardrobe feeling uncertain. Her closet was full of clothes, bright dresses, tight jeans, oversized sweaters, but somehow nothing seemed to create the polished, classy look she desired. Some outfits felt too youthful, others looked outdated, and a few simply didn't fit her lifestyle anymore. Later that day, she visited her longtime friend Margaret, who was known for her timeless sense of style. Margaret listened carefully, then smiled and said, "Looking classy at 50 isn't about buying more clothes. It's about avoiding the few mistakes that quietly ruin a woman's style." That simple advice sparked Helen's curiosity. She realized that elegance often comes from knowing what not to wear. Stay with us as we reveal the 5 common style mistakes to avoid if you want to look classy at 50. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50 for more timeless fashion tips and inspiration. Part 1. Wearing clothes that don't fit properly, too tight or too loose. The next morning, Helen stood in front of her mirror holding 2 outfits in her hands. In her right hand was a pair of very tight jeans she had bought years ago, hoping they would make her look slimmer. In her left hand was a loose, oversized sweater that felt comfortable but hid her entire shape. She sighed softly, unsure which one would help her achieve the classy look she wanted. Curious, she decided to try on the tight jeans first. As she pulled them up, the waistband pressed firmly against her stomach, and the fabric stretched tightly around her hips and thighs. When she sat down, the jeans felt uncomfortable, and she noticed how the tight fit made her move carefully instead of confidently. Next, she slipped into the oversized sweater. The material hung loosely from her shoulders and covered her waist completely. Although it felt cozy, the sweater made her look shapeless and less polished. Standing in front of the mirror, Helen realized something important. Neither outfit helped her look classy. Later that afternoon, Margaret stopped by and gently examined both outfits. "A classy woman always chooses clothes that fit properly," she explained kindly. "Not too tight, not too loose, just the right balance." Margaret then handed Helen a tailored pair of straight-leg trousers and a softly fitted blouse. The trousers rested comfortably at her waist, and the blouse followed the natural lines of her body without squeezing or hiding her shape. When Helen looked in the mirror again, she smiled with relief. The outfit looked neat, elegant, and effortless. That day, she learned her first lesson. Proper fit is the foundation of a classy style after 50. For more simple fashion tips that help you look polished and confident at any age, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 2. Wearing too many loud or trendy pieces at once. A few days later, Helen prepared to attend a small birthday dinner for one of her co-workers. Wanting to look fashionable, she reached into her closet and pulled out several trendy items she had recently purchased. There was a bright neon blouse with bold patterns, a pair of shiny metallic pants, and a large statement necklace with colorful stones. Each piece looked exciting on its own, and she believed wearing them together would make her stand out. Carefully, she put on the outfit and stepped in front of the mirror. The blouse was eye-catching, the pants reflected the light, and the necklace sparkled brightly. But as she looked closer, something felt off. Instead of looking classy, the combination seemed overwhelming. Her outfit looked busy and distracting, drawing attention to the clothes rather than to her natural elegance. Just then, Margaret arrived to pick her up for the dinner. She paused at the doorway and gently smiled. "Helen, every piece you're wearing is beautiful," Margaret said kindly. "But when too many loud or trendy items are worn at the same time, the outfit can lose its sense of balance." Helen looked back at her reflection and began to understand. Margaret then suggested a simple change. She asked Helen to keep the patterned blouse but switch the metallic pants for a pair of classic black trousers. She also recommended replacing the large necklace with a smaller, elegant pendant. Helen quickly made the adjustments and returned to the mirror. The difference was clear. The outfit now looked refined, modern, and balanced. The blouse remained the highlight, while the rest of the pieces supported the overall look. That evening, Helen learned her second lesson. Classy style comes from simplicity and balance, not from wearing every trend at once. For more practical fashion advice and timeless style inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 3. Ignoring the importance of quality fabrics. The following weekend, Helen decided to go shopping for a new outfit to wear to church. She walked into a clothing store and quickly spotted a beautiful dress displayed near the entrance. The dress had a lovely design, a soft floral pattern, three-quarter sleeves and a flattering knee-length cut. Best of all, the price was very low. Without thinking too much, she bought it and brought it home feeling excited about her purchase. On Sunday morning, she slipped the dress on and stood in front of the mirror. At first glance, it looked fine, but as she moved around the room, she noticed something unusual. The fabric felt thin and slightly rough against her skin. The material wrinkled easily, and the dress didn't hang smoothly along her body. Even after ironing it carefully, the fabric still looked slightly creased and dull. Later that day, Margaret joined her for lunch and immediately noticed the difference. She gently touched the sleeve of the dress and nodded thoughtfully. "The design is beautiful," Margaret said kindly, "but the fabric quality makes a big difference in how classy an outfit looks." Helen listened closely as Margaret explained that high-quality fabrics, like cotton blends, soft wool, or well-made polyester, tend to hold their shape, resist wrinkles, and feel more comfortable throughout the day. Poor quality materials, on the other hand, can make even a stylish design look cheap or worn out. The next week, Helen returned to the store and chose another dress with a similar style, but made from thicker, smoother fabric. When she wore it, the material draped beautifully and stayed neat all day. Standing in front of the mirror, Helen smiled with confidence. She realized that classy style isn't only about appearance, it's also about the quality of what you wear. For more smart fashion tips that help you look polished and confident after 50, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 4. Wearing outdated styles that no longer suit your lifestyle. One quiet afternoon, Helen decided to clean out the back of her closet. As she sorted through hangers, she discovered several outfits she had not worn in years. Among them was a dress she once loved, a long, heavily patterned dress with large shoulder pads and a very loose fit. The fabric felt thick, and the design reminded her of a time when her schedule and lifestyle were completely different. Curious, she slipped the dress on and walked toward the mirror. The dress hung heavily from her shoulders, and the oversized shape made her look older than she felt. The bold pattern seemed dated, and the shoulder pads created a stiff, boxy appearance. Helen tilted her head slightly, realizing that while the dress held memories, it no longer matched the modern, confident woman she had become at 50. Later that evening, Margaret stopped by and noticed the outfit immediately. She smiled gently but spoke honestly. "Helen, this dress may have been stylish years ago," she explained, "but fashion changes, and so do we. One of the most common style mistakes women make after 50 is holding on to outdated pieces that no longer reflect their current lifestyle." Helen nodded thoughtfully as she studied her reflection again. Margaret then helped her choose a more updated option, a simple midi dress with a clean silhouette, soft fabric, and a modern cut. The new dress fit comfortably and moved easily as Helen walked. The design felt fresh, practical, and perfectly suited for her daily activities. Standing in front of the mirror, Helen smiled with renewed confidence. She realized that looking classy at 50 means updating your wardrobe to match who you are today, not who you were years ago. For more helpful fashion advice and timeless style inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50. Part 5. Neglecting the small details, shoes, accessories, and grooming. On the day of her important work presentation, Helen carefully selected a beautiful navy dress from her closet. The dress fit her perfectly, with smooth fabric that draped neatly over her figure and sleeves that rested comfortably just below her elbows. She felt confident as she slipped it on and checked herself in the mirror. The outfit looked elegant and professional, exactly the classy image she wanted to present at 50. But as she reached for her handbag and prepared to leave, Margaret arrived to drive her to the office. Margaret paused at the doorway and looked Helen up and down with a thoughtful expression. The dress was lovely, but Helen's shoes looked worn and slightly scuffed. Her handbag showed signs of age, and her hair, though clean, hadn't been styled carefully that morning. The small details, though easy to overlook, quietly affected the overall impression of her outfit. Margaret gently smiled and said, "Helen, looking classy at 50 is not only about the clothes you wear, it's also about the finishing touches. Shoes, accessories, and grooming can make or break your entire look." Helen looked down at her shoes and immediately noticed the dull surface and worn edges. She quickly returned to her bedroom and changed into a pair of polished, low-heeled shoes. She also chose a structured handbag with a clean finish and took a few minutes to smooth her hair neatly into place. When she stepped back in front of the mirror, the difference was clear. The outfit now looked complete, refined, and truly classy. As she headed out the door with confidence, Helen realized the final lesson: elegance lives in the details. Thank you for following this fashion journey. For more practical style tips and timeless inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe to Style After 50.